In this video, we're going to look at coding CPT procedures for the male reproductive system. So just like other systems, if you haven't tabbed your book, your CPT book, please do that. Then we want to flip open to the front of the male reproductive or male genital system. We can see the code range is 54000 to 55980. We can also see the different organs, anatomical areas, and procedures that are contained within this system. Just like our other systems, if you look throughout, there will be information specific for this system. Like here's a great example. Right here, our CPT manual has a nice visual that explains what a laparoscopic orchiopexy is, that it's a surgical fixation of an undescended testy in the scrotum under laparoscopic guidance. So again, as you're coding procedures in CPT, just remember that the front of the section has helpful information as well as throughout the tabular list where the codes are. So let's go ahead and get started with 3 practice cases in the male genital or male reproductive system inside CPT. So our first case, our patient is coming in for a biopsy of his penis. So let's go ahead to our index and we're going to go to the name of the procedure, right? So we're going to go to B to biopsy. And once we get to biopsy, then we're alphabetically going to go to the P's to penis, and we see 54100. So then we're going to flip to our male genital section in the tabular to 54100. Right here, read our code description, biopsy of penis, that's what we want. Separate procedure, that's just giving us more information that it's separate from another procedure if one was done. Our scenario, that's all our patient had, so we're coding 54100. Okay, let's do another one. Our patient is a 77-year-old male coming in for a perineal radical prostatectomy. So again, we're going to go to our index to the name of the procedure. So we're going to go to P to prostatectomy. So here is our prostatectomy. Ours was perineal and then radical. So we have a range of codes, 55810 to 55815. So now we need to flip back to our tabular section and look at that range of codes. 55810 to 15. So 55810 is just prostatectomy, perineal radical. 55812 is prostatectomy with lymph node biopsy, limited pelvic lymphadenectomy. 55815 is prostatectomy with bilateral pelvic lymphadenectomy, including external iliac, hypogastric, and arbitrator nodes. We don't want the second or the third one, we just want the first one. Our procedure was just a perineal radical prostatectomy, so we're coding 55810. Now I have a case for you to do on your own, so you'll go ahead and start looking for this. Pause the video so you can find the correct answer, and then we're going to go over it together. So your scenario is a newborn baby born in the hospital, male infant who had a circumcision performed with a clamp. So the procedure you're coding is a newborn circumcision with a clamp. So go ahead and pause the video, find that code, and then we're going to go over the answer. Okay, hopefully you came up with 54150, which is circumcision using clamp or other device with regional dorsal penile or ring block. And how you found this was by going to your index, going to the name of the procedure, right? So we go to circumcision. which is CIRC. So under circumcision, we want to pick surgical neonates newborn, and we have two codes to pick from, 54150 or 54160, and we selected 54150 because it had the clamp. The other procedure, the 54160, was a surgical excision other than clamp. Our scenario specifically said using clamp, so we're picking 54150.